Folks, Rick here. All right, so today I want to talk to you about dropping the New Year's resolutions. Come on. I even read something from Tom Ferry this morning that said they've done studies on this, and usually people make it with their resolutions for about 18 days, which is very similar to my math, which I learned from reading about gyms. Gyms across the country, LVAC, Las Vegas, all those types of gyms. Their favorite day of the year is also the 17th or the 18th day of January because you signed up, yet you stop coming. So, resolutions don't work. What does work is what a great question. I am so glad you brought that up. What really works is reprogramming yourself. Your brain is completely intricate. You can create new neural pathways in your brain by creating new habits for yourself. So what you really want to do is drop the resolutions and create new habits. I have a little book I wrote called Success is a Verb, and in that book I call it Habit Replacement Therapy. First off, you have to decide you want to do this, okay? You got to decide, this is important to me, okay? This goal is like oxygen. I want to breathe, and I want to achieve this goal. And then you got to get through the uncomfortable phase, which lasts 30 to 60 days, not 18. See, when you hit about 18, 21 days, that's when it gets the most frustrating because you're about to create a new habit, and even at an unconscious level, you're fighting yourself, okay? But once you make it to like day 30, 40, 50, all of a sudden now you're creating new neural pathways in your brain, and then you've created a new habit for yourself, and then your brain won't fight you at an unconscious level on taking the body through these new motions. But you got to understand, there's going to be resistance until you create these habits. So commit to a few. Don't say I'm going to do 10 things. One or two things at first. Decide what the most important ones are. Come up with the process, okay, that you need to do, and then commit to creating the new habit, knowing 2, 3, 4 weeks into it, you're going to hit the wall, and when it happens, you go, okay, I'm there. I'm at the wall. Now I've got to keep going to get through the wall until I create the new habit. Hopefully that helps. Look, I hope to see you guys soon. Thanks for your time.